Solmelu Illavele Homework March 04 2024 Class 5 Monday. Today's homework, please practice and record video about clothes 2 times, okay? Submit the video in Flip app under your group as usual. The table has the new keywords and its meaning in English, Kannada, Tulu and in Roman. Here are the questions, the assignments. In English, number 1, my name is Siri. My native place is Udupi. Please replace name with your name and your native place is with your native place. I wear pajamas at home. That's number 2. Number 3, my red shorts touches my knee. Number 4, my mom's favorite attire is sari. Okay, it's translation in Tulu. Number 1, enna pudaru Siri. Enna moola uru Udupi. Number 2, yanu illadu pajama paduve. Number 3, enna kempuda chaddi enna murampugu muttundu. Number 4, enna ammana istada tuttaita sire. Okay, and here are the new words and its pronunciations. Moola, that is native. Okay, place, uru. Where, padunu, tuttunu. At home, illadu. Pajama, pajama. Red, kempu. Shorts, chaddi. Knee, murampu. Touch or touches. Muttu, muttundu. Like, ista. Attire, tuttaita. Sari, sire. Okay, please submit your homework and have a nice day.
America